Hello and welcome back to Chris the Butcher and Friends. Tonight we're having a Supercool review, and I bet you guys are thinking, wait, this daft prick here has run out of ideas. But I haven't. I've got a couple of ideas in the pipeline I want to film, but I want to up my game. And I want to get back into using this baby. My Canon 100D DSLR, right? I have done quite a few videos with this in the past, and the picture quality is 10 times better. But when I moved, I lost my charger cable for the battery. So I've ordered one off Amazon, a tenner. Now I don't know if that's cheap, dear or what, but it was 10 quid, right? It's come with a little battery pack thing, and it comes with a USB thing as well. It comes with, I can plug it in my car. Why? I don't know. But yeah, you never know, I might need charging in the car. Take pictures while I'm driving. Bit dangerous, might as well drink. I would drink and drive, but still most of it when I go around corners. Anyway, I'm digressing. We are here for one of these.
Brothers and sisters, I give to you Chris the Butcher's Supercool Review.
Yes, I was in the Asda. And I went to the fresh pizza aisle. You know, the one where you can make your own. But I didn't have my own, mate. I went to see what they had there. And I'll be honest with you, I don't think I've ever seen anybody review an Asda's own pizza, fresh pizza. And I've gone for the thin and crispy garlic chicken. Adds a bit of garlic, didn't it? Because we get a lot of garlic in this house. Yeah, so it's generously topped with garlic and parsley spread. Sounds delightful. A duo of cheeses, tender chicken, mushrooms and red onion, right? Contains milk, wheat, gluten. May also contain nuts, seeds and other allergens, right? Due to the way we prepare in-store pizza products, they may contain additional allergies. Like nuts, sesame seeds, milk, eggs, barley, everything. They might have rolled it in a fucking nut bath. Right? So if you're allergic to nuts, don't have it. If you're a celiac or celiac, don't have it. You have to buy the gluten-free one, wheat-free, all that, for 25 quid. That was £3.75. It's 14 inch. That's it really. Thin and crispy 14 inch garlic chicken pizza from Asda. And that, my brothers and sisters, is going in the oven right now. I know I said I was putting this in the oven, but it's not going in just yet. Because on the underside of the label is the cooking instructions, right? For best results, cook from chilled. To oven cook, remove all packaging including sauce sachet if applicable. Well, it's not applicable, is it? Because there's not one in it. Place pizza directly into middle of shelf of preheated oven with a tray on the shelf below to catch all the cheese drips. Right. We're going to do it. It's going to 190 degrees. That's gas mark 6, and we're going to cook that for 9 minutes, and that's going in right now, my brothers and sisters. It has been 9 minutes, my brothers and sisters. And this pizza looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Now that is Asda's own fresh pizza. Cost me £3.75. Now normally a pizza like that in Domino's is going to cost you about 14 quid, isn't it? But I want to do this justice now. I want to try and zoom in a little bit. I'm going to put it in slow motion and I'm going to cut it, right? But with all YouTube's problems with copyright, oh, there's been a copyright claim against you, right? I have got a treat for you. I'm going to cut this in slow motion, and I've composed my own music.
Boo, bow, bow, chicka chicka chow, chicka chicka chow, chicka chicka chow, chow, bow, 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 bow.
So, my brothers and sisters, that is our Asda homemade fresh pizza. This is the garlic chicken one. And this is what really, I've got to slide it down, you gizzard. Less talking and more sliding. You know what? That for a £3.75 pizza is absolutely out of this world. I knew that anyway, because I've had these before, but I just knew I needed to review them. Can't beat this. Now, if you live in England, get yourself down to Asda. Get yourself down to the fresh pizza. Garlic. Get down to the fresh pizza store. Well, listen, you can pick and choose and do your own toppings and everything. You know what I mean? It's endless. £3.75 for a 14-inch pizza. I bought 3 of these, right? I'm not doing maths. It just cost me over a tenner, right? And if I'd bought 3 pizzas that size from Domino's or Pizza Hut, you're looking at 35 quid, aren't you? That bag. That is out of this fucking world. Baby. What can I say, right? These fresh Asda pizzas are cheap and they're absolutely mad fucking fine. I'd give them a 10 out of 10. Value 10 out of 10. You might have to cook them yourself, but listen, it takes between 9 and 11 minutes. You wait longer for it to be delivered, don't you? And you pay 4 times the fucking money. It's a no-brainer. Listen, Asda's fresh pizzas, you can pick what toppings you want. I went for the garlic chicken because it was garlic. And I fucking love garlic. I think we've established that. I didn't just like that, I fucking loved it. If you like it, press like. Comments. Oh, the garlic's kicking in. Share it on your social media and subscribe. And become a family member of #Teamctb, where I fucking love garlic chicken.